guys, welcome back or welcome to eVivid Artistry. My name is Emily Ardith, and today we are going to be doing a very fun makeup look for the 13 days of Halloween, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me. So today I really wanted to do a jack-o'-lantern inspired look, and I am very excited for it, and I hope you guys will like it. So if you guys are interested in how I get this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so I went ahead and I did my eyebrows and prepped my eyelids for the eyeshadow off camera. So as you can tell, my eyebrows are completely black. I used my Ben Nye cream color in 28 Coal, and remember that because that's going to be used a lot today. So I used that, I put the majority of it out here, and then I just kind of feathered it in the front a little bit, and that is actually a very nice ombre brow. So I am now going to go ahead and do the eyeshadow. So this is going to be obviously a more glam jack-o'-lantern type look. So I'm going to be doing a very bold, orangey, sparkly eyeshadow look with a nice wing liner. So I'm going to be jumping into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I will be using this orange shade right at the top. And also get used to seeing that color because that color is also going to be going all over as well. I'll be taking that on my number 19 Sephora brush, and I will be placing this color from the outer corner to the inner corner in my crease and up toward the eyebrow. I will now be taking this Makeup Forever shade in the color M738, and for some reason the camera made it look like it was just like a neutral brown, and if it does look like a neutral brown, it's not supposed to. It's more of like an orangey brown shade, but more toward the rustic orange side. So I'm going to be putting that in my crease to deepen it up. I'm mostly going to hang out on the outer corner, but then I'm going to bring it about halfway in. Alright, so now that my eyeshadow looks like this, I know it's a little bit messy on the outer corners, but I will clean that up later. I am now going to cut the crease a little bit, only halfway, and then set it a little bit with just a skin tone eyeshadow. Alright, so now that my crease has been cut and it is set, we are now going to play with some glitter. So I have this lovely topazzy orange glitter, and I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the NYX glitter glue, and I'll be tapping that all over my lid where I cut that crease, and then I will be setting it with this glitter. And I'm only going to go about as far as this fade right over here. Alright, so I went ahead and I added a little bit of black on the outer corner. I felt like it needed it after the glitter went on. I did not bring the glitter all the way down to my lash line, just because I find that if I use glitter like this and then I try to do wing liner on top of it, it's never smooth. It's always bumpy because you're putting it on a bumpy surface, therefore it's gonna look bumpy. So I went ahead and I created a space so that when I do my wing liner, it will turn out nice and smooth. So I will now be jumping into my NYX matte black liquid liner, and I will be creating a very nice wing. Alright, so now that my wings are on, I'm going to go ahead and go off camera, and I will do the rest of my foundation and base, and when we come back, I will probably be completely pale because I'm sure that I'm just going to be doing my foundation and powder. So yeah, get ready to see me really pale. Hello, I'm back and I'm pale. So I'm going to leave my eyes alone for a little bit. I think I'm going to go back to them last, and I'm going to start from the top and work my way to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and use that Ben Nye cream color, the one that I used on my eyebrows, and I'm going to kind of map out around my forehead and then bring down a couple different tendrils. It won't be a classic jack-o'-lantern I'll be doing, but it'll be kind of like a jack-o'-lantern mixed with a demon, I guess you could say. Alright, so now that that is there, I'm now going to give myself the same kind of feel, but on a really long mouth. I'm now going to go ahead and do my nose. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eyes. So I'm just going to do a nice black line under here and create a nice triangle as well. And then I will shade out and around with the orange shades that I used on the crease. So now I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and put on my mascara and lashes, and then it will be the final look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I'm so sorry if the look doesn't translate well through the camera, just because the camera is picking up on a lot of weird things. However, it does look really, really cool in person. So I do apologize about that. Again, I am looking into getting a better camera. It's just real expensive. Anyways, I am very, very happy with how this look turned out, and it was honestly very quick and very easy to do. The only time-consuming thing really was the eyeshadow, and then everything else was just kind of random, so I'm very, very happy. I had a lot of fun with this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you guys liked the video, please like the video, and comment down below on looks you would like to see me do, and if you would subscribe to the channel as well, that would also help me out a lot. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow on the next 13 Days of Halloween video. Bye!